All right, let's do a simple perimeter worksheet. Right, for those who don't know, perimeter is the total length around a shape, or in other words, the total distance, right? The total length, which is this, this, and this, and this, right? On the rectangle, right? So we want to know the total length of the entire outside of the shape, right? So I'm going to number these questions. So this is number 1. This is number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5, right? One thing to note, these shapes are all basically, well, rectangles and squares, right? I'm seeing rectangles and squares. This is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, and this would be a square, right? Because all sides are equal. So let's start at number 1. So number 1, we have a rectangle, right? The length is 6 centimeters. The width is 3 centimeters. So to get the total length of this rectangle, or the perimeter of this rectangle, we have to add all sides, right? So I'm gonna add 6 plus 3. Also remember, even though they didn't give us the length, on the opposite side it's also 6, right? Opposite sides are equal in a rectangle, and this would be 3, right, for the width, right? Because this is 3, so also here should be 3. Now I'm gonna add another 6 and another 3, right? So 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 6, 15, and plus 3, 18 centimeters, right? Please do not forget the units. So we have 18 centimeters for question 1. For question 2, which is a square, and we would know all sides are equal in a square, so we're gonna add 6 basically 4 times, right? Or we could multiply 6 by 4, or we're gonna add 6 4 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 again. All right, so 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6